Hello, guys. This is AminaSa'eed, and welcome to the Android app development full course. Today, I will talk about the introduction of Android. If your dream is to build an app in Android, you want to work with Android app development, you want to be in this profession, or you just want to make an application for you, for that you should know what an Android is. So it's a brief introduction about it. I have made the notes. You can pause and just copy or take a screenshot of this. So, okay, there is spelling mistake. So basically, what is an Android? It's a software. Simply a software. What is software? It's a .exe file. Whenever you download any software from any search engine, you from any website you download the software, you see it's in the .exe file, and then you maybe in zip, then you extract it, you get the actual software. So Android is also a software. We call it, it has the Android Studio, which is an integrated development environment. What an integrated development environment means. See, if you have to make an app, you have to do three things basically. The first is you have to develop an app, choose the colors, choose fonts, choose textures, buttons, button styles. You have to do the styling and all that. That's a designing part. And then you have to do the coding part. Say if you click on a button, what happens? Say if you are using a Facebook, you click on the notification button, what happens? It redirects you to the notification page. So that action performing is done via coding, and the coding we do here is usually in the Java. Nowadays we do in the Kotlin too. So all the things that we have to do, like designing part, the coding part, there's an action performing part, or any other thing like getting the data from the database, all these things we do in a single software package, that's an Android Studio. You don't need to install any additional package, additional software. All the plugins are here. That's why we call it integrated. It is integrated development environment in which all the things that you need for developing an app is in this single package. And it's an operating system for the mobile. So you buy an Android mobile set, you see that the operating system is an Android. It's Linux based kernel. Okay. The third thing is the history about Android. It was basically found by the Palo Alto in California, 2003. But then it was developed by these three guys, Sandy Rubin, Nick Sears, and Chris White. These three people just developed the Android, but then this, due to some we can say the economic purposes or some any other issues, these they cannot handle this product. Then it was kind of purchased by the Google for about $50 million in 2005 August. If we talk about the architecture of an Android, it basically ships with a set of core applications. What means if you buy any Android phone, you see there are some inbuilt features and functionalities in it. Like there's a calendar, there's a Gmail, there's a Google search engine, there's a YouTube. You don't need to install them from the Google Play Store. You install some additional apps like Facebook and all, but the basic features, basic apps are there. So these basic things, these basic apps are shipped by the Android itself. Okay, the next thing is all the applications are written in the Java programming language. The designing is done in the XML, but the coding of an application is done in the Java programming language. But nowadays we use Kotlin too. So this was about the introduction of the Android. Hope you like it. We will move to the practical part in the coming videos. Subscribe for the amazing content. Take care.